Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can edit the default apps of a template. So we start by entering from the context menu in templates. If you already have a template, just enter from the context menu and edit. You can see that here you have your info app and login app. So we start by analyzing this info app. I always have my template here, so we open the preview. You can see this info. This is the info app. Just try to imagine this like a blank page and you can enter any content you want. In this case we have a top image with some content and a custom color button. We go back on administration and you can see what we have here. So this is the header image. You just need to upload by following the size that we set up here on the tooltip. You can even link this image somewhere. You just paste here the URL you want the image to point to. Footer image, this is the logo on the bottom. You can place whatever image you want. And then here we start to talk about content. So here you can put HTML if you're familiar with, or you can just write some text with no problem. Same for the bottom text. And here we have custom CSS. Here we set up also a custom font. You can use Google Fonts or any other online resources for the fonts. And here we have some custom CSS. Once you did this, you can save and the app is ready to load. So this is how you can create and or edit the info app. The same is for the login app. In this case, when we talk about editing the login app, we are not talking about registration methods or other, but just talking about the layout. So you can see we have this image and this text. Now we go back on the domain. We have this login app tab. This header image, of course it works like the other one. You just upload the image that you want. If you want that image to link to some website, you just paste the website here. Here you have the text and custom CSS. So this is how it works, and once you save, you are ready to see all the things that you add simply by refreshing, by clicking again on the apps. These are info and login. Then we have weather app. This is an app that is based on the location of the gateway, so you have no settings on that. What you need to do is just to set the proper location on the gateway. So on the general data of the gateway, you can see you have city with address and country. So this app is based there. Same for the around me. The around me is based on the location of the gateway. So these are based on Google point of interest. If you're looking for parkings or restaurants or whatever, and you have no control on this. You just refer to the Google point of interest and that's it. If you want to customize this point, you have no way. The only way is just to create a custom app. So in another tutorial, we will see how to create a custom app. We go back to the domain, and what I want to show you, we go back to templates here on the tabs. So these are the apps, and what you can do also is just to enter on apps and see what you can do here on the apps tab. You can see maybe you are not interested in the Around Me app because you say it's not good for your business. You just check this and you check to hide the Around Me app. In this case, this app will not be visible anymore. Or you can also set a default app. Let's say that you want to have important message here on the info app and you want this app to be already open once the user log in. You just check this to default app to info and you save. So in this case, if we refresh, we will see that we have the info app will be open automatically and we have no Around Me app anymore. So this is how you can manage the default apps. See you in the next tutorial where you can where I will show you how you can create a custom app.